Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Okay, so how was the test? Did you do good? This is week number 7. We are doing KPL, right? So KCET Premier League for Mathematics. I hope all of you performed really good. It was not that difficult test. Some questions I think I would say 15% or 20% of the questions was difficult, they were challenging. Apart from that, rest of questions were moderate, okay, like moderate or easy. So paper was, I think, overall moderate level. Easy only, I can say, moderate to easy level, okay. And I know that you have solved all the questions. I know that you got good marks. Achha, I saw some comments saying that, sir, I could solve only 15 questions, okay. Like in the previous KPL, I saw that there was a comment saying that, sir, I could solve only 15 questions, bacha. So first of all, I would like to know why did you solve only 15 questions? So please let me know, okay, the reason for it. Then I saw some marks also for 26 marks that I got, sir. Very good, 26 marks is very, very good, okay. All the best for your upcoming KPLs as well. So please take it seriously and solve all the questions. Now, if you're solving 15 questions, let me know what is the reason behind it, okay. If let's say time constraint is there or concept is overwhelming, okay. First of all, understand this, I'm giving 30 questions from one topic, so it will not be the case when you actually go in your KCET. You'll have combination of easy and difficult questions at the same time, okay. So sometimes what happens is I'm giving one topic. Let's say I'm talking about only calculus. 30 questions of calculus will be little difficult to handle over there, okay, in one hour. So what I'm saying is, if you're solving 15 questions, good for me. But do one thing, after I come with the solutions, have a look, go through all the solutions, solve it with the help of the solutions, and then you try to attempt the question paper without any help once again. Okay, please give a dedicated time for that, and in that time attempt that same paper again. Okay, 15 question is okay, you made an effort, very good that you did that. Now so let me start with the solution. You know how to grade yourself. For every correct answer, give yourself 1. Okay, if for every incorrect answer, give yourself how much, bacha? You give yourself only 0, or let's say you did not answer a question, give yourself 0 for that as well. Okay, so question number 1. So that was easy question, was it? Let's check the first question. So again, this is not completely on the PYQ mix of the questions I've given. So I think almost 20 odd PYQs I've given, and then rest all 10 questions was a very good question. Means you can expect those questions, even though they're not PYQ, but the level is right up there. Okay, so you might have seen some PYQs are very, very simple. That's how it's going to be. Okay, chali. So the differential equation of y equals to a e k x plus c. We have to identify that. How will you do that? By using the differentiation. Please see quickly. So if you know the solution, if you got the right answer, if you want to know the solution, answer is what? C. If you want to just move on and check the answer is C. Okay, let me show how it is. So please differentiate. Y dash will be given as what, bacha? A k e power kx plus c. Okay, the differentiation of this thing will remain as it is, and for kx you're going to get k, so that's why I've written over here k. For c you're going to get 0. Now bring one thing, okay, bring the variables on one side. Okay, now if you check here, I'm getting a form y dash equals to, I can keep this k outside and write this as a e power kx plus c. Isn't this nothing but y again? This part is y again, right? So I can bring this, so this is not different, okay, in the denominator. Just one second, I'm trying to say that this whole thing represents what? Y again. So please, I can write this as ky, bring y over here, y dash upon y equals to k. Now differentiate. Why doing like this? Because k will differentiation will be make 0 on the RHS side. Okay, so you're going to use the quotient rule on this side for the LHS side. Please have a look. So I'll do for y dash first. I'm going to get what? Y double dash. Okay, keep y as it is. Okay, now minus sign will come for the quotient rule. Now I'm going to keep y dash as it is, and differentiation of y will become what? Another y dash. Whole thing divided by y square, and for k you're going to get what? 0. Please check. Y double dash is nothing but, bacha, what? Second derivative. So y2, y will remain as it is, minus y1 is how much? Y dash means y1, the whole square. Whole thing will be 0 because I can multiply y squared with 0. It will be 0 only. Okay, now what is this? y2, y1 equals to y1 square. Option number C. Option number C. I've written already. Simple question, very simple. Question number 2. Please have a look. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y dot g dash of x equals to gx dot g dash of x. A very good question. Okay, a very, very good question. Will look like what? Options are given. Okay, so please check. So if you see here carefully, this is already in the standard form of differential equation, no? variable is what? The independent variable is x, so the function over here is given in terms of x only. Okay, so what is my p value? My p value is g dash of x. So what is my going to be integrating factor? My if would be integral of e power integral of g dash of x times dx. What is the answer, bacha? E power gx. Integral of g dash of x is what? Simply gx. Now write the answer, the solution. So write like q times of, sorry, not q. This will be written as y times of what? If. For this I'll write for the first question. Next I will just skip these steps. Integral of q if again and dx, because the variable is what? X in this case. So right here y, what is if, bacha? E power gx. Integral of what? Q. What is q? Please check. Gx, okay, g dash of x, okay, and e power gx, whole thing with dx. Okay, now I will take the substitution over here like this. Please have a look. I will take g of x as t. What's the derivative now? So g dash of x equals to dt by dx, right? So I get what? G dash of x equals in, okay, dx equals to dt. All right, now put this in this condition. So what I get? Y into e power t. Okay, the solution that I have, transforming it now, gx is simply t, g dash of x and dx will become what? dt. So I'll write here dt over here, and this will become what? E power t. E power t. I have to use what here? By parts. Please have a look. I'll do in the next slide. So this will become what? Y e power t equals to what, bacha? Integral of t e power t dt. By parts means I let which comes first? Algebra comes first, then comes the exponential. So I'll give the preference to what? This is my function number 1, function number 2. The integration looks like this. Function 1 as it is. Integral of 1 will second will look like same. Next what? Minus sign. Integral of differentiation of the first function. Differentiation of t is what? 1, sir. And then integration of second function, e power t will remain as it is. Okay, close this. I get what? T e power t minus, this will remain as it is. Okay, now plus c will come obviously. Please check. So I can take e power t common over here. E power t and t minus 1 plus c. And what is this? Y e power t. This whole thing you can get it over here. You're going to get y e power t minus e power t t minus 1, okay, plus c. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Now bring this over here. Can I take this as common? I can take this common, picture. So I can take e power t common. It will become what? Tell me. It will become y minus t plus 1 okay, equals to c. Now let me look at the options once. Okay, so okay, plus log 1 by minus gx. Okay, all right, great. So I'm getting the answer correct. Just put the value of t back. Actually, before doing that, just apply the log on both sides. So apply log over here. I get log of what? E power t y minus t plus 1, okay, equals to log c. Log of a constant c will be what, bacha? Another constant. So I'll write that again as c only. So please check how much this is going to be. Tell me here. So I can write this as log a into log b, log a into b. So log a plus b. So log of e power t plus log of y minus t plus 1 equals to log c is what? Some constant k. The final answer, have a look over here. Final answer will look like this. Log of e power t is what? Simply t. Log and e will cancel the effect. T plus what is the bacha? Log of what is it? 1 plus y minus t. I can write it like this. 1 plus y minus t equals to k. I can write again as c. This constant k I can write it as c because the answer is given in terms of c. Okay. Now write the value of t. So g power gx. In the log also you replace this with t. So 1 plus y minus g of x equals to c. Final answer. Gx plus log of 1 plus y minus gx. What is the answer? B, right? Gx plus log of 1 plus y minus gx equals to c. A very, very good question. Not a PYQ. Not a PYQ. A very good question. Please have a look. I hope this is visible. Yes. Okay. So option number B is correct answer. Okay. Question number 3. The product of the degree and the order. The degree is 2, order is 2. Please check. Degree is, order is what, bacha? 2. And what's the degree? Degree is 2. And I don't have to tell you how it is. Correct, na? This is correct. So answer is what? 2 into 2. So 4. Simple question. I said some questions will be very, very simple. Okay. Chaliye. Yx, if yx be the solution of the differential equation, okay, x log x dy by dx plus y 2x log x, okay, when c equals to 2, the constant, you get the integration of constant, no, c equals to 2, find the value of y when x is equals to e. Y of e means what? X is e. Okay, chaliye, so let's solve this question. कर लेते हैं. Okay. Okay, sir. Let's write it over here. X log x, okay, dy by dx plus y plus, okay, equals to, forgive me, 2x log x. Divide everything by x log x. Everything by x log x. I'm going to get what? dy by dx on this side plus y upon x log x, bacha. This will become simply 2. Now what is my p and q? Tell me. So this is my p equals to 1 by x log x and q equals to 2. Q equals to 2. Great. So what is the I integrating factor? E power integration of 1 by x log x dx. Right? Correct, na? So if you can see here, this, if I have to take a substitution which is going to be log x equals to t. I'm not going to do all the steps on this side, okay? If I take log x equals to t, this is nothing but what? Differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x. Okay? This is going to be what? 1 by x dx equals to dt, right? So I can replace 1 by x dx as dt, and this is going to be 1 by t. What is the answer? Log t. So this will become simply as e power log of t. And what is t? I've taken t as log x. So e power log of log x. If you are confused about this step, do one thing, take in this function, take this integration, take log x as t and done. Please do this. I've done a lot of questions like this. Okay, I don't want to do it again. So please do log x equals to t. Very simple, very, very simple. Okay, you're gonna get e power log and log of log x. Okay, e and log will cancel the effect. What is the answer? Simply log x. Simply log x. What is this? This is my integrating factor. This is my integrating factor. Okay, आगे बढ़े, चलिए, have a look. Now once I get this, what is my answer going to be, बच्चा? I have the function to be y times of integrating factor is how much? Log x. Okay, equals to what? Integration of 2 log x dx. Okay, I can take the two constant outside. Okay, and write it as 1 times of log x. Apply the by parts over here. I let condition will be true. I let, so log has a preference over this. So this is my function number 1. This function number 2. Log has preference over algebra. So keep the 2 outside. What is going to be? Log x will be kept as it is. Okay, and 1 integration is what? Simply x. Integration of 1 is simply x. Minus sign will come. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Integration of 1 is simply x again. Dx will come. So x and x cancels out. What is my answer? Please check. 2 times of x log x minus, what is this? Integration of 1, again x, plus c. Okay, so please take x common over here. 2x log of x minus 1 plus c. Okay, and how much is this? Y log x. Okay, so I'll just write this over here. This is my answer, right? Y log x equals to 2x log x minus 1 plus c. Let me write it on this side. Y log x equals to 2x log x minus 1 plus c. Please check. Yes, now they are saying that x is e and c is 2. Put it here. X is e. So y log e 2 into e log e minus 1 plus 2. Log e is how much? This is 1 bacha. Okay, so I get y into 1 equals to 2 times of e into 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. This whole thing is what? 0. What is my answer? Y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Option number B. Option number, please have a look. Okay, yes, option number B. Question number 5. Question number 5. The solution of 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Simple question. Okay, we have to make the linear differential equation. How will you make it? I can write it like this: 2x minus 10y cube whole multiplied with dy by dx equals to minus y. Taking this y on this side. है ना? Now do one thing. Take this whole bracket on that side. So I get dy by dx equals to minus y upon 2x minus 10y cube. Yes, this looks difficult. Take dx by dy for the differential equation. I can write a differential equation in linear form like this also. It's going to become what? Minus times of 2x minus 10y cube upon y. Now do the expansion on this side. What are you going to get, bacha? Minus 2x by y plus, please check, simply sir, 10y square. है ना? Please check. Minus will become plus and y cube will cancel with one of the y's. Okay, so we're gonna get what? 10y square left over here. Now bring this on this side. You're gonna get this as dx by dy plus 2x by y, okay, equals to 10y square, bacha. Now please have a look. What is the function? So my p value is 2 by y and my q value is 10y square. So what is the integration going to be? Integrating factor. So my if would be, bacha, e power integral of 2 upon y dy. So e power, I can take 2 outside. How much is that? So simply log y. Log y, okay. I can take this 2 on this side. It will become what? E power log y square. E and log will cancel the effect. What is the answer? Simply y square. Correct? Y square is my integrating factor. What is my solution then? Tell me here. The solution is going to look like this. So x is the variable over here. Please check dependent variable. So x times of y square equals to integral of y square, no sorry, 10y square, no, 10y square, q is 10y square, so 10y square into if, so again a y square dy, है ना? Please see the solution on this side. So xy square, I get xy square equals to 10y, y power 4 is there, bacha. So integral of 10 y power 4 dy, integrate this, I'm gonna get 10, okay, sorry, integration sign is gone now because I've taken the integration. Yes, so I can take 10 outside. Y power 5 upon 5 plus c. Yes sir, what is the answer? Please tell me. Answer is xy square 2y power 5 plus c. Please cross check. Xy square 2y power 5 plus c. Any option like that? Okay, option number A looks like it. Option number A. Simple problem, very simple. I hope you got it. Yes, have a look. Simple question. Shall I move on to the next question? Yes. Okay sir. Question number 6. The solution of x plus y the whole square. Alright, this is the very good question. Please check here. If you see carefully, no, x plus y the whole square is over here. Okay, so for x plus y, what is the derivative? For x it is 1, for y it is dy by dx. Derivative of x is what? 1, y is dy by dx. Same thing over here. For x it is what? Acha, for xy is going to be, we have to use what? Product rule. So you're going to do for x, let's say, or you're going to do for y, keep x as it is. For y you'll have dy by dx, and then you can keep y as it is. X will be 1. So basically derivative of this function is over here and derivative of this function is over here. So I'll change the side. I'm going to get what? Please have a look. I'm going to get this as, I'm bringing this over here and this over here. I get 1 by xy बच्चा x dy by dx plus y equals to x plus y the power minus 2. It's in power 2, right? So it'll become my power minus 2, no? 1 plus dy by dx, है ना? Okay. Now see carefully. If you see very very carefully, if I integrate on both sides, please see the fun part. Okay. Please check. If I take this as t, this thing as t, what is this? This is dt, na bachcha. If this is t, this is dt, right? Correct? Correct, no? If this is xy is t, I'm saying, not 1 by xy. I'm saying xy is t means what? This is going to be dt, right? So what is that? What is this going to become? Please check. It will become 1 by t dt or not? Yes. X is as it is, y is dy by dx, y is as it is, x is 1. So this is dt only, sir. If this is t, so it is going to be 1 by t dt. What about the right hand side? If I take this as t, what is this, bacha? This is dt again, sir. So what is this going to be? Tell me. T minus 2. Let me change the variable, please. I cannot take the same variable for both that side, no? Okay. So let me take this as p. This is going to be what, bacha? dp. Some variable p, no problem. So I'm going to write it as p power minus 2 and dp. Can we not integrate it on both sides? How much is this side? Log of t. Okay, and this is what? This is not log. Okay, forgive me, my mistake. I have to use the polynomial integration on this side. So p power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. What's the answer here? Log t. What is log, bacha? T was how much? xy. So xy was p, bacha? P is x plus y, sir. What's the power? Minus 1. What is here? Minus 1 again plus c. I can write this as log of xy minus 1 upon x plus y plus c. Any option like that? Please check. Please check. Option number C, right? Option number C. Okay. Simple problem. Just have to be smart about the question. Looking at the problem looks very complicated, right? But if you actually break the problem into try to analyze the problem, you're gonna get into very simple steps. Yes, see, simply 1 by t dt and p power minus 2 dp. Integration is like that. Okay. Yes. Question number 7. Solution of dy by dx minus 1 e power x. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay. So please check. I can write this as okay, sir. Okay, sir. E power x upon e power y, sir. Right, sir? Bring e power y over here. E power y dy by dx minus e power y equals to e power x, sir. Now multiply dx on all sides. So e power y dy minus e power y dx equals to e power x dx, sir. Okay, take e power y common over here. E power y dy minus dx, sir, equals to e power x dx, sir. Now bring this e power x over here. Please check. So this will become e power y upon e power x dy minus dx, okay, equals to dx, sir. Okay, now please check. This is going to become what, bacha? E power y minus x. Base same, in the quotient power will be subtracted. Dy minus dx, sir, equals to dx. Now see this. What does dy actually? For a curve which is equals to y equals to fx, if I'm writing a curve y equals to fx, dy represents a very very small part of the curve. Remember, we have done this in AOD. Okay, when the differential. So if I draw this curve, this is my dy, right? Same I can do for dx also. So difference of two lengths. Okay, so very small. So I can take the y minus also. So if I write it like this, difference of the, so very small part of the difference of two length. Dy by dx, dy minus dx equals to, I can write this as, these are two lengths, right, for this particular function. For graph, very small element dy is a small element, so is dx. So I can write it like this also, difference of this yx and this element of that. So element of a small element of the difference of the small elements and small element of the difference. I'll repeat, difference of small elements, both of them are small elements, and what is this? Small element of the difference. So I can write this as, please check. Okay, I'm trying to explain you logically, not the mathematical explanation. What is going to be? dy minus x equals to dx. Okay, now this part only you'll get stuck. After this you can do it. E power, so whatever is it, if I set this as e power t, this is dt, no? If this is e power t, what is this? This is dt, sir. What is the integration going to be? Tell me here. If this is e power t, what is this, sir? dt, sir. Integrate, sir. How much is that, sir? E power t equals to x plus c, sir. What is e power t, bacha? E power y minus x equals to x plus c, sir. Option is which, bacha? Option number D, sir. Y minus x. So y minus x, x plus c, sir. Okay. Option is D, sir. Question is very simple if you are able to understand this step. That's why I said very good question. Okay. Chaliye. Very rewarding, but you should know the step. Okay. So moving on to the question number 8. I hope this was visible, right? Yes. Question number 8. A solution of y double dash minus xy dash plus y plus 4 equals to 0. Now this is one of those questions which you can solve easily and faster with help of the options. Okay. Let me tell you how. If you take this as option, this cannot be true. Because if you take the second derivative, what's the answer of second derivative over here? Sir, first derivative is 2, second derivative is 0, sir. So if you substitute it back, this is 0, this is 0, okay? Please check. I'll do it on this side only. So for this part, sir, 0, okay? This is going to be minus x times of 2, okay? And plus y, sir. So y plus 4 will become what? 2x plus 8. So 2x plus 8. Can you see this happening? 0. 2x minus 2x, how much is 0? So will 8 be equal to 0, sir? Not at all. So this is not true. So if I show for any of these two, again let me see. What's this for a condition? Y dash is how much, bacha? Y dash is, sir, simply 4x. What about y double dash? This also is, sir, simply 4. Okay, chaliye. Now please put it here for the first option. So 4 minus x times of 4x. Gone, no, sir. How come? Please check here. Plus y plus 4 is how much? 2x square plus 8. Will this ever be 0? Please check. 8 plus 4, 12. 2x square minus 4x square. Never 0. How will you say get this? 0. Okay, not 0. In this case, both the options are, not both, all the options are incorrect. Option number D is the correct answer. Yes, option number D is the correct answer. Okay, so please have a look. Moving on to question number 9. The sum of the degree and the order of the differential equation is what, sir? लिख लेते हैं 1 plus y1 का square power 2 by 3 equals to y2. And 2 by 3 is there. I can take this to be on this other side. It will become what? 1 plus y1 square y2 power 3 by 2, na? Correct, right? Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just take the whole cube. That is better. Okay, take the whole cube. It will become 1 by y1 square 2 by 3 whole cube equals to y2 cube. 3 and 3 goes out. Okay, so 1 by y1 square the whole square and y2 cube. Order, sir, highest derivative is y2, means 2. Degree, sir, the power of highest derivative is what, sir? 3. Sum, sir, 5. Answer, sir, B. Okay, answer is B. Please check. Okay, simple question. Shall I move on to the next question? Yes. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. If dy by dx equals to y by x plus tan y by x, find the value y of 1 by 2 when y of 1 is pi by 2. Chaliye. So basically they are looking for what? Particular function, sir. Why they have given y of 1? To find the c value. Yes. Okay, चलिए कर लेते हैं. Wherever you see y by x, what is the first thing that we do? Take what? Take that y by x to be a variable v. Do that, sir. substitution sir, y by x equals to v sir, y equals to vx sir, derivative of y is dy by dx sir, derivative of vx is sir, keeping v as it is, x is 1 sir, and keeping x as it is, v derivative is dy by dx sir. Replace in the given problem sir. If you replace it over here, dy by dx will become what sir? V plus, please check, sorry, yeah, I put it as v again, I wanted x over here. So v plus x dv by dx, this is just for this part sir, equals to y by x. How much is y by x sir? It is v sir, so right here v plus tan of v sir, tan y by x is tan of v sir. Check here sir, v and v is cancelled sir. Okay, use the variable separable method sir, all the v on terms on one side and dx on terms on one side. I get this as sir dy, sorry dv, right? Forgive me sir, my mistake sir. I'll write it like this, please check. I'll take this as dv upon tan v equals to dx upon x sir, dx upon x, integration, right? Chaliye, I can write the LHS as 1 by tan, so cot sir, so cot d, sorry, again sir, I went fast and I skipped a step again. Cot v dv equals to integral of dx by x. How much is this, bachcha, tell me? So this is sir log, no, log sin x, something like this you wrote sir. What about this sir? Log x plus log c. Why log sir? Why log c? I have all the logs, I can use the operations on log. Yes, so log of xc, log a plus log b, log a plus log b, log a into b, log sin x. Okay, what I get here, bachcha? Please tell me. I get this as sin x. Okay, acha, not, this is not x, please forgive me, this is not x, my bad habit of writing this as x all the time. This is v, bachcha, this is v. Sin v is what? Sin y by x equals to xc. How come sir? Log and log, if you take exponential function on both sides, this will be cancelling the effect of exponential and log. So sin y by x equals to xc. This is my, what is this? This is a general solution sir. Okay, I have to use the condition from here to find the c value. Y of 1 means when x is 1, y is pi by 2. When x is 1, y is pi by 2. Put here sine of pi by 2 by 1 equals to 1 times of c. Please check. X is 1, y is pi by 2. Okay, sin pi by 2 is how much? 1. 1 equals to c. What is my c value? C value is 1. Okay, so this will become what particular function? Please tell me. Sin y by x equals to x. What is the c value? 1. So what I'm getting? Y by x equals to sine inverse of x. So what is y equals to? X times of sine inverse of x. Now you put the value that they were asking. Y of 1 by 2. X as 1 by 2 you have to put sir. So x, please forgive me, x is 1 by 2, no, they're asking that value. So I'll put 1 by 2 here. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 remains as it is. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is how much? Pi by 6. 30 degrees sir. 30 degrees. Answer is what sir? Pi by 12. So y when x is 1 by 2, when x is what? 1 by 2, y value is coming as pi by 12. My final answer is option number D. Correct answer. If you got it right, I know you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Yes, please have a look. Question number 11. The order and degree of the differential equation y equals to x dy. अरे ऐसा क्या? Simple problem. They are trying to complicate and give us headache. Asked in 2014. Please check. Plus 2 upon dy by dx. Cross multiply everything by dy by dx. What are you gonna get? Y dy by dx x dy by dx का whole square plus 2. Order is 1 sir, degree is 2 sir. Order is 1 and degree is 2. How come, sir? Order is here, sir. Please check. 1. Degree is the highest power of the highest order, sir. So 2. Answer is 1 and 2. Option number A. Move on. Simple. Very simple question. Asked in 2014. So you can expect a question on the order and degree. Just try to be prepared to simplify the problem. So in 15 to 10 seconds you'll get one answer on differential equation, order and degree. Chaliye. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3 by x. 3x is what? अरे इतना आसान सवाल. Easy question. dy by dx plus y by x equals to 3x. है ना? This is the same form. Independent variable is x. The q value is 1 by x. Sorry, q value is 3x. Forgive me. P value is 1 by x. Find the integrating factor. So if is what? E to the power integral of what, bachcha? Integral of 1 by x dx, sir. 1 by x, sir. E power log x, sir. E power log x is what, sir? Simply x. My integrating factor is what, sir? Please check, sir. This is the x value for my integrating factor. Write the solution, sir. So dependent variable is y, so write it as y times of x over here equals to integration of what? This has 3x. Please check. 3x times of x dx. Integrate it here, please. 3 is constant outside. X square is there, so x cube by 3 plus c. Can I cancel this? Okay, later I'll cancel. This I can cancel. Write y as x cube. I'm taking this x on this side. So x cube by x plus c by x. Okay. X cube by x plus c by x. What's the answer? Y equals to x square by x plus c by x. Please check. Answer is what? D. But answer is also C, sir. Can you see that? Answer is also C, sir. Both answers are correct. Answer is what? C and D. If you got one answer, it's okay. Pick any of these two answers, your answer is, you give yourself 1 mark. But I want to tell you both answers. That's why I've given this. I could have taken this option out and given another option. But I gave you both options on purpose. Because if you integrate, okay, you can get a constant C which can have any sign, no? Let's say this constant C can be positive. If it is negative, I can write it another constant. Okay, so that's why for the constant we don't have a sign only. The C can be any sign. So both plus and minus is true in this particular case. Got it? So option C and D both are correct answers. Yes. So I gave it on purpose. Please check. This was given like that in the question only. I could have removed it, but I wanted to explain you why the both options are correct. Answer is C can have a negative sign also. So x square minus C upon x. Okay. Simple question. Can I move on? Of course you can, sir. Yes. Okay. 13th problem. The solution of a differential equation. If you got one of the option as correct answer, give yourself 1 mark. Okay. No problem. The solution of differential equation, because in exam, no, they will not give. You will not get 2 options. Okay. They're gonna be very good with this paper. This time papers, there will be no mistake in the paper. From the last year's, the situation that we had this year, the paper is going to be, you'll have no errors in the paper. So please make sure that you don't worry about it. You'll have only one correct options given. Okay. Chaliye. The solution of differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y equals to x square is okay. Okay. Looks like a simple question, but we'll solve it anyway. I think the answer should be B, right? Please check. Bring x on, divide everything by x. So x square by x here also. So what I get? So my p value is 2 by x and my q value is simply x. Correct? Now what is my integrating factor? So e to the power p dx. So e to the power 2x dx. Sir, 2 is a constant, keep it outside, sir. E to the power what, sir? 1 by x, sir. Integration of 1 by x dx. What is this, sir? E to the power 2 outside, sir. 1 by x integration is what, sir? Log x, sir. Log x, sir. Bring this 2 on this side, sir. Coefficient can become power. So it will become what, sir? My integrating factor will become, sir, simply e to the power log of x square, sir. Take e and log will cancel the effect, sir. So basically what is it, sir? X square, sir. So my integrating factor is what, sir? X square, bacha. Yes, integrating factor is x square. Now what is the solution, sir? Solution is variable is what? Y. Please check. Y times of x square integration of q. Q is x. So x times of x square dx, right? How much is that? Y x square equals to x cube. So x power 4 will come if you integrate it upon 4 plus c. Okay. All right. Now please take the sum over here. X power 4 plus 4c upon 4 is there. Okay. I'm going to keep y as it is and now bring x square over here. Why did you do that, sir? Because options is like this, sir. What can I do? Not in my hand. Y equals to x power 4 plus 4c, okay, plus upon 4x square. So there is no 4c over here, sir. And it's a constant. No, 4 into c. 4 is a constant, c is a constant. Replace 4c by another constant, c or k. So option number is B only, no, sir. X power 4 plus 4c upon 4x square. 4c can be written as again another constant k. Can be written again as another constant c or c dash. That's what it is written over here. Simple. Got it, right? Option number B is correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Okay. आगे बढ़े. Let's move on to question number. What is it? 13 is done. Visible. 14. So the solution of the differential equation dy by dx. अरे रे रे रे. बहुत ही difficult सवाल. Very very difficult, sir. I can't even think how can I solve this question, sir. Okay. And it's a PYQ, sir. Think. Such a difficult question, sir. I cannot score marks in what? My KCET examination because of difficult question like this. Sir, log y minus log x plus log c, sir. Why log c? Because everything is log. So log y equals to log of c by x. Why, sir? Log a minus log b. So log a by b. So log and log is gone, sir, by using exponential function on both sides. So y equals to cx, sir. So y times of x equals to c, sir. So xy equals to c, any option like that? Option is given, sir, c. 30 seconds it took us to solve this question. Right? Simple problem, no? Very simple. Let's move on. Question number 15. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree. So difficult. Okay. 2016. Right? PYQ. Let's see. How can we solve it? Sir, you did it like that. You took the whole power as 4. I can solve it that way. Let's try. Chaliye. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine. Now, the people who know, they know the answer by now. By me writing the step. What I'm saying is, take power to be 3 by 4. The whole power to be 4 on both sides. Sir, d square y upon dx square, the power 4. Sir, I got the right answer. Order is 2. Highest derivative. Sir, here first order, second order, first order, here second order, sir. Order is 2. And sir, degree. Sir, degree is 4, sir. How come, sir? Power is 4. No, for the highest order. Incorrect, sir. How come? Please check. Sign is there. We learnt about the degree. Degree will be only defined if it is a polynomial expression. It is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Is it a polynomial equation? It's a trigonometric function over here. You cannot take this derivative to be a polynomial equation anymore. For that reason, degree is undefined. Degree is what? Undefined. Now for that reason, answer will become what? From B to D. I know some of you will make this mistake and got the answers 2 by 4. If you have, I should be, I don't know what to do to you. Okay, sign is present here, bacha. Please have a look. Okay, sign is present here. For that reason, we cannot define the degree. Because what is the degree? It should be a polynomial equation in terms of derivatives only. Correct? For that reason, the degree is not defined. Answer you got? Option number D. Moving on to question number 16, sir. Integrating factor of x dy by dx asked in 2016 again. minus y equals to x power 4 minus 3x. Okay, bring everything, so bring this x on this side and this x on this side. I get what? dy by dx equals to minus y upon x equals to x power 4 minus 3x upon x. Okay, so actually I don't care about this right now because they're not asking us to do it. They're asking us to find what? Integrating factor. So what is my p value? This is it. That's all I need. P I need. My integrating factor will look like this. Please check. E power integral of minus 1 by x dx. Okay, take minus sign outside. So e power minus sign integral of 1 by, so minus 1 is there, dx. Okay, now please check. E power minus 1 will remain as it is, and what is this thing? Log of x. Okay, I can take this 1 on the power. I can take this 1 on the power. It will become what? E power log of x power minus 1. Coefficient and power formula. This one I'm using. A log m equals to log m to the power a. This formula. Okay. So power, this coefficient becomes what? Power on the other side. Yes. Now e and log will cancel the effect. What is the answer? X power minus 1. 1 by x. Option number C. Option number C. Everyone should have got this answer right. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 17. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equals to plus y equals to 1. Okay. Okay. Please see. Linear differential equation is given like this, sir. 1 times of y equals to 1. P value is 1 and q value is 1. Justifiable. The independent variable is x, so the p and q has to be either the function of an independent variable or the constants. In this case, they are the constant. Okay, so what is going to be my integrating factor? So e to the power integral of p dx only, right? The independent variable, e to the power integral of 1 dx. Answer is what? E power x. This is my integrating factor. Okay. E power x. Now replace with the solution. It will become what, bacha? It will become y, right? So what is this? Y times of e power x equals to integral of what? Q. What's q? Q is also 1. 1 into e power x dx, right? E power x dx, right? Okay. Now if you see it here over here, I'm going to get y power, okay, y into e power x. This will be what, bacha? E power x plus c. Okay, e power x plus c. Bring this over here. I get y e power x minus e power x equals to plus c. Take e power x common. I get y minus 1 equals to c. Okay. Now you can see log is there. It means I have to take log on both sides. Please take log on both sides. So log of, I get what? Log of what? E power x y minus 1 equals to c. What is this going to be? This will become log of e power x. Log a into log a into b. So log a plus log b. So y minus 1 equals to c, right? So I'm going to write this over here. What I'm getting? Log of e power x plus log of y minus 1. Okay, Achha, you know this. For log it has to be modulus, right? This is understood. I'm not writing it because I know that you know it. Okay. This is equal to what, bacha? C. Yes. Okay, this is log c, right? My mistake. I have to write this also as log c. Over here also. This also is log c and log c. Okay. Now, 1 second. Just a second, sir. Log c. This is all right. Now check what I'm going to do. This will become what? Simply x. This will become what? Log of mod of y minus 1. I can write this as another constant k, right? Multiply minus to all of them. You can get minus x plus, okay, this also will become minus. I'm multiplying everything with minus sign. So minus log of y minus 1, okay, and minus k. Why I'm doing this? Because I want to make x positive with the constant. Please check. I want to make x plus c part, okay. Bring it over here. Now become log of y minus 1 with the minus sign equals to x minus k. Okay. Now minus is over here. I can take the minus on the power of the variable over here like this. Correct, right? This minus 1, I can take it on this side. I just explained you. Okay, as a power. This will become what? X. I can write minus k as what? Another constant, capital C. Okay, what is this? Log of 1 upon y minus 1 equals to x plus c. Okay, now please check mod is there. So whether I write it as y minus 1 or 1 minus y, will it matter? Because mod means everything, whatever it comes out will be positive only. So if I take minus sign common over here, please check in the denominator, it will become what? Please check. If I take minus sign common over here, it will become what? I'm taking minus common in the denominator. See the magic? It will become 1 minus y, okay, equals to x plus capital C. I'm going to write this a step over here. Okay, so I can write this thing as log of, I'm writing one more step, extra step. Minus 1 upon 1 minus y now. Okay, I've taken this minus sign on the numerator, equals to x plus c. Now please understand, negative modulus is what? Positive only. This will become what? Log of 1 upon 1 minus y equals to x plus c. Answer, please check for the answer. Option number A. Okay, log of 1 upon 1 minus y equals to x plus c. Correct? Have a look. Good question. Okay, not that easy. You have to think, apply yourself to get the correct answer. Why will you apply? How will you apply yourself? By looking at the options. That's what you actually need. From there you have to make the modifications. So please have a look. I hope you got the right answer. Okay, the question which is given is very simple, but answer, to reach the answer you have to make some modifications. Otherwise, what is our answer? The answer is over here only. Our answer ends at this point. Our answer ends at this point, bacha. Or you can end it over here also. But to get this part, I have to make certain modification in my final answer to get this result. So that's why, because of the option which is given, the question looks complicated. Have a look. Okay, this also is visible. Moving on to the next question. 18. The integrating factor of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y. Arey, this is simple. I won't solve this question. I'll give you the differential equation. You can solve it from there. So dy by dx, I can write it like this, plus 2y by x equals to x square by x. Right? What I'm gonna get? Please check. Dy by dx, I'm gonna get this as 2 by x my times of y equals to simply x. What is p value? P value is 2 by x. Use this for the integrating factor expression. You're gonna get it as x square. You're gonna get this as x square. Option number D. Please solve it. Solve it further, please. Solve it further. Okay, and what are you gonna comment? Comment, got it right, sir. Okay, GIR. Chali. May I move on? Question number, so 18th is done. Question number 19th. The degree of the differential equation. So degree is what? Degree is 1, no? Correct, right? Degree is 1. It's polynomial. Highest order is what? 2. So degree is 1. 17 they have asked. Degree is 1. Okay. Moving on. 20th, the degree of an order. The degree and the order of the differential equation. Okay. Okay. So let me write it over here. 18 they've asked this question. So you can see this. One question is pakka on what? On the degree and order. So equals to cube root means what? Power 1 by 3. So I can write this as dy by dx to the whole square to the power 1 by 3. Q1 all sides or both sides. You're gonna get this as, this is what? This is simply y2 no bacha. Second order derivative. y2 cube equals to 1 plus y1 square. So what is the order? Order is 2. What's the degree? Degree is 3. Correct, na? Order is 2, degree is 3. Yes. Moving on. Question number. So 20th is done. 21st. The solution of the differential equation x dy by dx minus y equals to 3. Okay. Represents family of. Why are they saying family and not only the which function is it? Family, because this is going to be a constant c. So based upon c, your variable will your function will keep changing. For that reason they are saying family of. If there was a, this is basically the answer that you're going to get will be with respect to what? A general solution, no? So for that reason, please check, you're going to get what? So dy by dx minus y upon x equals to 3 upon x, right? Okay, I'm taking x on both sides. What is my p value? P value is minus y upon x. Q value is 3 upon x. Independent variable is x only. Find the integrating factor. So IF will be equal to what, bacha? IF is equal to what? Please check. E to the power integration of, I can take minus sign outside, 1 by x dx. We know this will come as 1 by x only. So if you're going to do this, e power log x will come with a minus sign. It will become what? Log x power minus 1 with the base e. So e power something like this. It's going to become what? X power minus 1. How much is it? 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay. So my integrating factor is 1 by x. What's the answer going to be? Y times of 1 by x equals to, what is it? Integration of 3 by x times of, what is it? 1 by x dx. Okay. So y by x equals to, please check, 3 I can take it outside. X square is in the denominator. So x power minus 2 dx. Please understand this. X into x is x square, but in the denominator. So x power minus 2. Integrate this. So 3 times of x power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 dx. How much is that? So minus 3, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 3 upon, how much is this? X in the denominator. Because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So in the denominator only, plus c. Okay. Y by x. Okay. Now I can cancel this. I can cancel this. I can take this x on this side. It's going to get what? Y equals to minus 3x upon x plus cx. Right? X and x is cancelled. Please check. So y equals to cx minus 3. You remember this form? Y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. So if you compare these two, what equation is this? Linear equation. Linear equation represents what? Straight lines. A family of straight lines. Okay. Where c represents to what? M here. Looks confusing. Let me erase it anyway. Don't have to draw this. You can see directly from here. Y equals to x minus 3 is what? A linear equation in two variables which represents a straight line. Yes. Have a look. I hope this is visible. Moving on to question number 22. Option number A was correct answer for the previous one. Option A is the correct answer. I hope all of you got it right. Integrating factor of this condition. Okay, I think I've solved this question and the answer is D. No, not D. Answer is C. Okay. I've solved this question in my regular session. Okay. Where I talked about what? Linear differential equation or the practice question. Both of the sessions you can check it out. Either the practice session or the linear differential equation session. You'll get the answer to be ex upon x. If you want, I can give you the steps. I will not solve it because I've done this question. Very simple. I'll give you some steps. 1 upon x plus y upon x. Bring this y upon x over here. So dy by dx equals to what? Y minus y upon x equals to 1 upon x. So dy by dx, take y common, 1 minus 1 upon x equals to 1 upon x. What is p value? Integrate this with e as a base. You get the answer as e power x upon x. Okay, please check. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, let me know if you have any doubt for this. Okay, if you want me to solve this again, I'll solve it in any of the session. So please understand this. For x, you're gonna get what? For 1, you're gonna get it as x, so e power x, and for this, you're gonna get what? Simply 1 by x. Chaliye. Okay, please solve this. 23. The integrating factor of the differential equation asked in 2019. Have not done this question. I've done a similar question like this, right? Today only. Okay, let me do it anyway again. So 2x plus 3y square dy equals to y dx, right? Y dx. So do one thing, bring this y over here. So 2x plus 3y square upon y equals to dx by dy. Okay, now please take this in this form, separate the variables. 3y equals to dx by dy. Okay, so I can rewrite this as dx by dy. Bring this over here on this side. Minus 2 times of, okay, like this. 2x by y I can write it as, I can write 2x by y as minus 2x by y like this. keeping 3y on the same side. So what is my p-value? My p-value is minus 2y. Integrate this with this integrating factor with the base as e to the power integral of what? Minus 2, I can keep it outside, 1 by y dy. Minus 2 is outside, e here, this is what? Log of y, okay? So I can write it as e to the power log of y to the power minus 1 by 2. E and log will cancel the effect, so y power what? Minus 1 by 2, how much is that? 1 upon y square. Okay, 1 upon y square. 1 second. This is my integrating factor. Okay, option number D. Okay, done. Moving on to the next question. 24th one, the order of the differential equation y equal to c1 e power c2 plus x c3 e power c4 plus x. Okay, so order they are asking. Please check here to find the differential equation first. So if you see this, y equals to, I can write this as c1 e power c2 times e power x. Exponent is added, it means I can separate it like this, plus c3 e power c4 times e power x. Take e power x common. What I get? c1 e power c2 plus c3 e power c4. Okay, and I get what? Y equals to, I can write this as whole thing as a, right? So a, I said a, I wrote b. Okay, so I can write this as a e power x. Chali, take the derivative now. If you take the derivative now, you're gonna get what? Y dash equals to a e power x will remain as it is. Okay, and what is it going to be? Please check. Same thing is coming. Y dash equals to a e power x. Correct now? For a is a constant, e power x will remain as it is. What is it? Y dash equals to y. So tell me here, from here, what's the order? Highest order. That's in order, right? So I can write this as dy by dx equals to y if you want to have this clarity. So the order is 1, right? Option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 25. The general solution of the differential equation x square dy minus 2xy dx equals to x power 4 x cos x dx. Good question. Good question. Divide everything by x square and dx. This is going to be what? X square dy divided by x square dx over here minus 2xy dx divided by x square dx, and on this side x power 4 cos x dx divided by x square dx. Please have a look. And this is also gone, right? What I get? dy by dx, okay, minus 2 by x, okay, 2 by x times of y, correct, equals to x square cos x, x square cos x. Okay, now if I have to do this, please check what is my p-value. Minus 2 by x, integrate and find the integrating factor. So this is my q value, right? So if is going to be e power, I can take minus 2 outside, okay, and integrate what? 1 by x. You know the answer of this, right? What is the answer? Simply x square. Sorry, 1 by x square, because there's a minus sign. So simply 1 by x square. How come, sir? I just did it over here. Please have a look. Same thing was there, but in terms of y square. If you want to have a look, where is it? P is minus 2 by y. What is the answer for IF? 1 by y square. P is minus 2 by y. Answer is 1 by y square for the IF. Now for this condition, P is minus 2 by x. What is the answer? 1 by x square. Same thing. Now use this in the solution. I can write the solution as what is it? Y is the dependent variable. So right here y times of same thing 1 upon x square equals to q is what? X square, right? So x square cos x times divided by x square dx. Gone. How much is that? Y by x square equals to integral of cos x. How much is that? Simply sin x plus c multiply everything over that side. Y equals to x square sin x plus x square c. Okay. Okay, x square sin x plus x square c. Option number D. Option number D. Yes. Okay. Simple problem. Just have to find the integrating factor. From there, work is easier. We have to decide how to divide this. Okay. So I wanted to have what? My ultimate goal is to get dy by dx, right? For that I needed a dx in the denominator. So divide everything by dx. Now I can see x square was here, x was here, and x power 4 was here. So it means I can divide by x square also, because I have to free the dy by dx from anything. There cannot be any coefficient of dy by dx, right? If I keep x square, okay, we have to take out the x square part. How can you do that? By dividing everything by x square. So please check. I hope everything is visible. Question number 26. The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constant in the family of the curves. I have to eliminate the variables. Okay, please check. C1y equals to okay, C2 plus C3 e power x and e power c power 4. C4 I mean. I can write it as e power x and C2 plus C3 times e power 4. Okay. So I can write this as a times of e power x. How much is this? C1y. So I can write this as y equals to a by C1 e power x. So y equals to, I can write it as b e power x. They are looking for differential equation, no? So please find the differential equation. Derivative will become what? Y1 equals to, I can write b as it is, the constant, and this will become what? Again e power x. Y1 equals to what? What is b e power x? Again y. What does this mean? dy by dx equals to what? Y. What are they asking? Order. Order is how much? 1. Asking 2020. Question number 26 answer is D. I hope all of you got these answers. Okay. Chaliye. Moving on to the next question. 27th problem. Solution of the differential equation x dy minus y dx equals to 0 represents what? Chaliye. कर लेते हैं. 4 options are given, but let's see the conclusion from here. So x dy equals to y dx. Bring y over here, bring x over there. So dy upon y equals to dx upon x. Integrate. So log y equals to log x. Okay. Okay. Plus log c, because I have log and log everywhere. So this is going to be what, bacha? Log of y equals to log of x times of c. Log a plus log b is log ab. Take exponential function on both sides. It become what? E log y equals to e log of xc. This is what I keep talking about. Taking base with the exponential function, e and log will cancel the effect. So y equals to what? xc, or y equals to what? cx. Linear function in two variables, straight line. Okay. Option number C. Y from origin, take here. X equal to 0. What is the answer? Put x as 0. C into 0 is what? Simply 0. Y is also 0. The coordinate x 0 and y 0. Which point? Origin. That's why origin. Correct? Remember the curves. Y equals to x, y equals to 2x, y equals to 15x. All these numbers, C as 1, C as 2, C as 15x. Okay? Just examples. Nothing but just examples. Answer is what? Straight lines passing through origin. Option number C is correct. Chaliye. 28. The number of solution for the differential equation dy by dx equals to y plus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay. चलिए करते हैं. Given condition is, this is to find the value of c. Okay. Let's see what we can do about it. dy by dx. Okay. dy by dx equals to y plus 1 upon x minus 1, right? Y plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now if I do that, I'm going to get what? dy by y plus 1 equals to dx by x minus 1 log of y plus 1. I'll keep here plus log of c constant, and what is this going to be? Log of x minus 1. How come so? I need the constant, no, I can take it on any other side, so log C. Why I have taken, you'll see. Okay, you'll understand why I have taken like this. Now put the value. X is 1 from here. X is 1, Y is 2. So I get what? Log of 3 plus, what is it, bacha? Tell me. Acha, one more thing before that. Log A plus log B. Log A plus log B, what is that? Log of AB. So log of C times of Y plus 1, okay, equals to log of X minus 1. Now I can take log and log out, okay, it will become what? Simply C times of Y plus 1 equals to X minus 1. Now take X value as 1 and Y value as 2. So C times of 2 plus 1 will become what? 1 minus 1. C times of, so 3C equals to what? 0. It means C equal to 0. Correct? If I've taken the C on this side, no, it will become again 0. Whole thing will become 0. If I take this, let's say I have taken here log C plus log C on this side, it will become log A into B. So X will become what? 0. This whole thing will be 0, like this. 0 into C will become what? 0 only, no? That's why I've taken the log C part on the Y side. Because I want to get the value of C. What is the C value? So 0. Okay. C value 0 means I can write this equation again as, what's the equation? My equation is over here. Please check. My answer is over here, right, bacha? Okay. If you put this as 0, it's going to be what? 0 times of Y plus 1 equals to X minus 1. This whole thing is 0 means X equals to 1. How many answers you are getting? Only one, which is option B. A good question, a decent question. If you're getting stuck in this question, I will accept it. Okay, please have a look. So answer is B, 1, because C is a fixed value. So C is 1 means, C 0 means option, you're getting it as 1. Question number 29, dy by dx plus y by x equals to x square. Then find this value. Let's solve it, bacha. How can we do it? So I have to integrate it to find it out, because I need the value of y. From here only I'll get. Okay, 1 second. Y equal to x equals to 1, no? So okay, all right, x equals to 1 line is like this, right? This is my line, x equals to 1. How many values we're gonna get for this? Okay, we'll not get one value for this, right? For x equals to 1, I'll have how many values of y? I have infinite values of y, right? So I can have 1 by 1 in 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, like that. So okay, all right. Is option C also correct? Is option C also correct? Please check. Okay, fine. Then I'll get back to you about this. I'm having this doubt. Okay, I'm not sure. I think the answer is 28. Answer is B. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I feel the answer is B, but I'm having this this conceptual doubt that if I take x as 1, I can take how many solutions? I can take how many solutions, bacha? I can take infinite solutions, right? To x equals to 1, I get what? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, like that. No, on this line, how many points are there? Please check. On this line, how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, like that. I have infinite number of points, right? So for this, I get how many solutions? I get infinite solutions, right? That's what I'm saying. Even C can be a right option. Okay, so something is wrong. I think option C is also right, but option B also I'm feeling correct answer. So do one thing. I'll write here B or C. B or C. You let me know in the comment section. I'll give you the answer over here. I have to cross check once, but I think just let me know in the comment section option B or C. What do you feel? Okay, so one thing, chaliye, I don't want to leave it like that. Okay, please check. I will also cross check it. I'll let you know in the regular session. In the next session, I'll tell you that so I'll talk about this, that question number 28 of your KPL 7. I'll let you know the answer for sure, which is the answer, whether it is B or C. But for now, you please let me in the comment section what do you feel. But I am more inclined towards actually now C, but B is also looking correct. So I will let you know. I have to check once. So B or C, both options you can take it for now. For this question, you can give yourself 1 mark. Whether you did not attempt, it's okay, because there's a clarity that requires. Okay, so for this question, whether you did not solve, if you solved it, give yourself 1 mark. Okay, like a bonus question. Chaliye. Step C you understood, right? Just I'm thinking about the last answer. Answer is correct. X equals to 1 is the correct answer. Okay, but the conclusion, because we are looking for number of solutions, right? For that reason, so it cannot be 1 point. It can be infinite number of points. Because it's a straight line. For this straight line, I'll have how many values of y? I'll have infinite number of value of y. Okay, and 1x and 1y makes what? 1 point, 1 solution. So what I'm getting over here, infinite solutions. So that's why I'm inclined towards option number C. Okay, so B also looks okay, but option C looks more correct. So please check B or C. I will also check and let you know in the coming session. Chaliye. 28 part B, or we'll talk about this. I'll let you know in the next KPL 8, because if you are, let's say, not watching the next session, do not miss KPL 8. In the KPL 8, first thing I'll do what? I'll tell you about question number 28, which option is correct. Okay, so please comment your answers for this. I hope this is all visible to you. Question number 29. If dy by dx plus y by x equals to x square, okay, fine, let's solve this question. Then 2 by 2 minus y1, okay, I got completely detached. I was thinking about that question. Equals to x square. What is the p? P is 1 by x and q is x square. Q is x square. No problem, sir. If I integrate this, p integration of what? 1 by x dx. What is this answer? Simply e power log x. What is the answer? X, sir. So my integrating factor is what, bacha? X only. Integrating factor is x only. Okay, great. So let's just write the solution first. The dependent variable is y, so y times of x. Okay, y times of x equals to integration of q. What's q? X square x dx. What I get? Y x equals to x cube by 3, okay, plus c. Correct. Now I want to find 2y2, right? This I'm going to put this condition over here like this. Please check. So I can write it like this: 2y2 minus y1, right? Please have a look. 2 will remain as it is. Y2, if I put, I'm going to get what over here? So y times of what, bacha? Y times of 2, right? Okay. 1 second. Okay, let me take the x on the other side. I'm gonna remove this x from here and write it like this: y equals to x square by 3 plus c by x. Okay, now I'm gonna use this over there. So I get what? 2y2, right? So 2 times of y of 2 minus y of 1. So what is this going to be, bacha? 2 will remain as it is. Y of 2 will be what? 2 square by 3 plus, what is it? C by 2, correct? X is 2, no? Minus y1, 1 by 3, okay? 1 by 3 plus C by 1, okay? Now if you check here, what I'm getting on for the first thing, 2 times of 4 is 8, so 8 by 3. Please have a look. 2 times of 2 square, so 4 into 2 is 8 by 3. And what about this? 2 times of c by 2, so simply c, correct? Over here minus 1 by 3 plus c, c and c goes out. Okay, what I'm left with is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Check the answer, please. I have a space over here. Let me just solve it on the last step. I have the answer as 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take the LCM. Okay, how much is that? 8 minus 1, 7 by 3. Okay, so this will look like what? Yx equals to x cube is there, right? So x cube integration is what, bacha? X power 4 by 4, okay, plus c. Divide everything by x. I'm going to get what? Y equals to x cube by 4 plus c by x. This is my answer. Now I want to use this. Okay, I want to use this. Please have a look. It will become what? 2 times of y2, right? So what is y2 going to be? 2 times of y2 minus y1, right? So I have this as 2 times of y, 2 times of y2 means 2 cube by 4 plus c by 2 c by 2, okay, minus what is it bacha, y1, so 1 by 4 plus c by 1. Okay, I'll write it on this side. So now I'll write it on this slide. Please have a look. So what does this look like? 2 times of 2 cube by 4. Okay, so 2 times of 2 cube means what? I write everything again, plus c by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus c. 1 by 4 plus c. Have a look. So I get it as, please check, 2 into 8 by 4 plus c by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, this will become what bacha, 16 by 4, right? So simply 4. Okay, 16 by 4 is simply what, 4. Okay, now plus c minus 1 by 4 minus c and c goes out. I get what, 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, now I can take the LCM. 16 minus 1 by 4. What's the answer? 15 by 4, which we got using what, 2y2 minus y1. 2y2 minus y1. Answer is what, 15 by 4. Okay, answer is C. Chali. So see what is, for the 29th for the question, what is the answer? 15 by 4. Have a look. Okay, yes. Last problem of the day. Okay, the solution of the differential equation dy by dx equals to x plus y the whole square is what? Very simple question. Very simple. So have a look. Take x plus y as t. Asked in 2022. Okay, differentiate it. 1 plus dy by dt equals to, okay, 1 by, forgive me, not dt, dx, right? 1 plus dy by dx equals to dt by dx. So what is going to be dy by dx? dt by dx minus 1. Use it in this condition. So dy by dx I can write it as dt by dx minus 1. What is RHS? Sir, t square. Bring this one over here. What I get? dt by dx equals to 1 plus t square. Okay, now I can write this as dt upon 1 plus t square equals to dx. Integrate. What is this going to be? Tell me. Achha, one thing. Integrate. This is going to be tan inverse of what? 1 plus t. Sorry, tan inverse of just t, because 1 plus t square means 1 plus x square. Integration is what? Tan inverse of x. So this is going to be simply tan inverse of t x plus c. What is t going to be, bacha? Tan inverse of x plus y equals to x plus c. Any option like this? Please check. Option number A, right? Yeah, option number A. So this is the solution of your KPL number 7. All 30 questions have been solved. Have a look. Okay, now this completes your session. I hope you got all the answers right. I really hope for that. So one doubt is that question number 28, I'll talk about that in KPL 8, so that if you have so that in between if I miss something, let's say somebody misses next video or next session, you will not get the right answer. So I'll talk about question number 28. I'll give you the right option, whether it is infinite or 1. I think it's infinite, but I'll give you the correct exact right answer after confirming it on KPL number 8 solutions. Okay, so I'll not solve the question, I'll just give you the answer. Okay, that take bacha question number 28 answer as infinite solution. Okay, so for now please let me know in the comment section what do you feel. This concludes the session over here. I hope you did all of you did very good. Let me know what are your marks. Let me know that you're improving. Let me know that the sessions are getting better. You're working hard. Everything is coming together. What you want to do, what you want to achieve. Our goal is big bacha. We have to keep working hard. Okay. So I'll see you in the next session. Keep working hard. Keep smiling. Okay. Take care and bye bye.